Hi, I'm James, and I'm becoming handy because today I'm going to replace this Vanity Light. Extremely hot. As you can see, well, actually, let me dim this down a little bit. This Vanity Light has seen better days. These little things, it just comes right off. These are halogen bulbs, so like they're extremely hot. So we're gonna just take this thing off the wall and put this cheapo Vanity Light up in its spot, kind of like that. And now it's take it down. God, I hope the power is off. Woo! Okay, now let's see what this is. I got for dirt cheap. 15 bucks. This is downstairs in my daughter's bathroom, so I don't care about spending a lot of money. Hi. Now the hope is that this just fits right on there, and then we're done. I'm putting in a light. I got all this styrofoam on me. Just wash it down the drain. Because if there's one thing you want, is wet hands with electricity. Isn't that right, bud?
Yeah.
No, that's the wrong thing for me to teach you. Assembly instructions. These things. You got to take these out. I see. They don't twist, they just pull right off. Number 2, put it on the wall. Force these in. It's supposed to line up with the holes. Oh. Is that fine? That's mounted. What are we doing in life? I need tools. Phillips. Okay, we will do this. Goes here, and then I don't want to go get a level. That looks level. I'm sorry. These wires look awfully long, so I think I'm going to cut them back. But for that, I need another tool. Lineman's pliers. How far to cut these back? Let's just do that. Well, now I just realized that I don't have my wire strippers. So if I were to cut these other ones back, I have no way to strip them. So I'm not gonna do that. The white to the white. It's in there, give a little tug, and they're nice and tight. Black to black. Screw that on, nice and tight. Give a little tug, it doesn't come out. Then the ground wire needs to go to the little green screw. And then on the face plate there's another ground, and this would all tie into that same thing. Is there a top? And the question is, do you think I did this right?
No, I don't think.
Yeah, me neither. I appreciate the support though, buddy. It's fine. It's all fine. So now we just shove this into the hole. Uh-oh. The white thing came off.
Dad?
Yeah?
Have all those fruit snacks?
Yeah, but only if you share with me.
I will.
Yes. That's in there now. And then we shove this in there. Got it. This goes on top. Put these little things back on. Get some fruit snacks. We need light bulbs. Got the light bulbs, little LEDs. Let's go turn the power back on. And the moment of truth. Hey! All right. It's hideous. But let's see if the little girl likes it. Evie!
Yeah?
Come here. Tell me what you think.
About the same.
Well, another satisfied customer.
You're my dad.
Yeah. Yep, I did this for free. Yeah, hope it was helpful. You saw the whole process. It didn't take very long, and if I can do it, you can do it.